If you're wondering that can you charge your AirPods with your iPhone, so the answer is yes. You can charge your AirPods with your iPhone, but for that you will need the charging cable of your iPhone. Just plug in one end of your charging cable to your iPhone and plug the other end of your charging cable in your AirPods. And as you do that, this LED will appear on your AirPods case, which will indicate that your AirPods has started charging. But if you want to charge your AirPods wirelessly through your iPhone, so unfortunately you cannot do that, as iPhones do not support reverse wireless charging. As you can see, I have an iPhone 16 Pro over here, and it supports wireless charging. And also over here, I have the AirPods 4, and they support wireless charging. But if I place the AirPods on our iPhone, as you can see, they are not charging since iPhones do not support reverse wireless charging. But you can charge them through any wireless charger. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.